आओ आओ बहने आओ, आकर सेवा से जुड़ जाओ। आओ आओ बहने आओ, आकर सेवा से जुड़ जाओ।
Come sisters, come and be a part of SEWA. SEWA, or Self-Employed Women's Association, is determined to ensure that women workers in the informal sector get enough employment opportunities. Their employment would assure them social security, which in turn would improve their life condition. Today, SEWA has become the strength of women workers in the unorganized sector. With 1.2 million members in 9 states, SEWA has today become the largest women workers union in the country. SEWA has been following in the footsteps of Ela R. Bhatt, fondly called Ela Ben, who through her sincere efforts laid the foundation of SEWA and showed women workers the way to win respect for themselves. Ela Ben was also honoured with the Magsaysay Award at the international level. SEWA is a movement representing a confluence of the women's movement, the labour movement and the cooperative movement. The Federation of SEWAs is SEWA Bharat, which is giving strength to SEWAs in different states, resulting in the strengthening of the SEWA movement. SEWA was formally set up in Delhi in the year 1999. For 50-year-old Ela Ben, her despair has now given way to hope and joy. Ela Ben has experienced a great sense of relief after she was able to overcome the problems she had been experiencing over the past 5 years. The government authorities removed weekly market on the pretext of beautifying Red Fort, with the assurance that the market would be relocated elsewhere. However, no efforts were made in this direction. Finally, after a long struggle of 5 years, the Sunday market at Velodrome Road was re-established.
बड़े-बड़े नेता जो हम आज तक हम जा भी नहीं सकते थे, तो जो हमारी सेवा में हम मिले, तो सेवा वाले हमको ले गए। हम तो डरते थे कि हमको कोई पकड़ ना ले और हमारे कपड़े भी चोरी हो जाते थे, तो हम कुछ कर नहीं पाते थे। अब हम सेवा में जुड़े हैं, हमको इतनी हिम्मत आ गई है कि हम खुद हमारी रोजी रोटी कमा सकते हैं।
Women workers engaged in the construction industry always work in difficult and hazardous conditions. The contractors and employers care the least for their rights and even fail to pay them adequate wages. The daily wage paid to women construction workers is very less compared to the wages received by their male counterparts.
ढलाई का काम दिया जाता है औरतों को तो ज्यादा करके, जैसे आदमी की ना औरत की वैल्यू बराबर नहीं है, मात्रा बराबर नहीं है, इसीलिए वो हमको काम दिया जाता है कि दिलदारी का। 2 मंजिल कोठी होती, 3 मंजिल कोठी होती, 4 मंजिल कोठी होती, जितनी मंजिल हो तो उतनी मंजिल हमको ऊपर ले जा पहुंचाना पड़ेगा मसाला। वो तो जोखम तो होता ही है, लेकिन मजबूरी में और कर नहीं पड़ता हमको।
SEWA Delhi has been making consistent efforts to link these women with the government's welfare schemes for construction workers and to organize them to collectively demand for their rights. SEWA Delhi has enabled the registration of 1100 construction workers with Delhi government's Welfare Board for Construction Workers, which provided them with a registration card which acts as a proof of their identity. Banks do not consider the poor to be good customers, which is why unorganized sector workers are unlikely to have an account in any of the banks. In order to enable the economic empowerment of its women members, SEWA set up SEWA Bank, and poor women workers of the unorganized sector became members of the bank. Their economic empowerment facilitated by the bank shocked financial experts of India and of the world. This model of SEWA Bank helped in strengthening the microfinance program of Seva in all the 9 states. Women members of Seva Delhi also set up their thrift and credit cooperative society and got rid of the vicious cycle of taking loans from money lenders.
कोई काम अगर वक्त पड़ जाएगा तो उससे हम ले लेंगे कि हमको बहुत जरूरी पड़ गया, जैसे कि 6 महीना या 5 महीना खोलने से हुआ तो एक लड़की था, उसी का शादी होने लगी तो उसमें पैसा घट गया कुछ, तो इससे हम 2000 रुपया उठा लिए। दूसरे जगह से लेने गए, बोला 10% लगेगा।
Seva Delhi has also laid the foundation to set up a polytechnic which would provide vocational training to the daughters of its women members. Women workers of the unorganized sector do not have the financial capacity to provide their daughters with good education. In this context, Seva Delhi started giving vocational training to girls in traditional skills such as stitching, embroidery and mehendi at the Vocational Training Center so as to improve their employment opportunities. For girls who want to do well in the modern age, Seva Delhi is giving them technical training at the Polytechnic. The young girls are getting trained in computer, accountancy and English speaking, which would help their incorporation in mainstream professions. In this context, State Bank Academy Gurukul has taken a very meaningful initiative and has joined hands with Seva to provide modern technical training to the daughters of Seva members in the academy. There is the insurance program which enables members to tackle contingencies such as accidental or medical expenses.
जब मेरा घर जल गया, मैं बर्बाद हो गई, कोई रास्ता नहीं रहा, जब उसका मैंने फायदा उठाया बीमा का, फिर से मैंने अपनी दुकान भरवा ली उसी पैसों से और मैंने अपनी छप्पड़ भी बना लिया। जो मेरा खोया हुआ था वो मुझे वापस मिल गया सेवा की सहायता से।
Seva Delhi, in collaboration with the Delhi government, has also set up a gender resource center which is working for the economic empowerment of women. In order to link its members with various schemes of the government as well as to give them information about the various programs of Seva, Seva Delhi set up information centers in each of the areas where it is working. In Delhi, whereas on one end live the rich and the elite, towards the other end live millions of poor and workers of the unorganized sector. In several parts of East Delhi, thousands of women workers do the work of hand embroidery. Despite being skilled workers, they are not able to receive the piece rates which they deserve, as the middlemen take away half of their piece rates. Seva Delhi organized these home-based artisans, provided them with a platform and enabled the elimination of the middlemen.
जब से सेवा के इससे जुड़ी हूँ मैं, डबल पैसा मिलता है हमें। और जो हम ठेकेदारों का काम करते हैं ना, तो उसमें ठेकेदार हमें आधा पैसा देते हैं। ठेकेदारों का काम करने में हमें जो नुकसान है, 15 दिन में ही इतना काम कर लेती हूँ जितना का मैं ठेकेदारों को करती थी 2-2 महीने में। 3,500 हज़ार कर लेती हूँ मैं काम।
Seva Delhi linked these women artisans with export houses at the national and international level and ensured that good quality products were produced in the specified time period. Women artisans thus impressed the export houses with their work and succeeded in gaining international recognition for their products. As a result of Seva's intervention, the women were able to completely change their economic situation. In the midst of their efforts to tackle problems of employment and income, the members of Seva are at present working for prominent international brands such as Gap, Monsoon, Next, Mark and Spencer. Seva members celebrate their victory every year in the form of Shramik Mahotsav. The Shramik Mahotsav is a celebration of their movement, a celebration of their struggle for employment, and a celebration of their ability to lead lives of dignity and respect. SEWA, with its success in organizing women workers of the unorganized sector, has set new milestones. The smile on the faces of its women members is itself an expression of their struggle and consequent victories. These women serve as an inspiration for faith in the strength of unionizing and collective action, which has always enabled them to win in their struggles.